If you're looking for the Coursera Back to School Deal 2026, this could be one of the best times to save money while investing in new skills for school, work, or your career. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus discount, and the savings are usually applied automatically when you sign up. Right now, eligible new subscribers can save 40% on the Coursera Plus annual plan. Instead of paying the regular $399 per year, you can get one full year of access for just $239. That's less than $20 per month. Back to school season is the perfect time to start learning new skills, especially if you're preparing for a new semester, changing careers, or building your resume. With Coursera Plus, you'll get unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificates from leading companies and universities like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. Whether you're interested in AI, Python, cybersecurity, business, marketing, project management, or data science, the subscription allows you to complete multiple programs without paying for each one individually. Personally, I think the annual plan offers the best value because you can earn unlimited certificates and learn at your own pace throughout the year. Another thing many people don't realize is that Coursera discounts are usually activated automatically through promotional links. In most cases, you don't need to enter a coupon code manually. Just remember that back-to-school promotions and seasonal offers are only available for a limited time, so the discounted price may not last forever. If you want to take advantage of the Coursera Back to School Deal 2026, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the latest Coursera Plus offer before the promotion ends.